Hello, ColourHouse here. Today we wanted to talk to you about trend books and trend analysis. And so many areas we cover, from active sports to casual, men, women, children, beauty, interiors, shoes and bags, the whole area of lifestyle products. And what can work for you. There are so many options, and I just wanted to mention that working out of really simple tools can support your daily life in working as a designer or product developer or buyer, and really be quite easy to bring into your daily platform. Now, taking active as an example, where we start with people like Style Right, who would give you a book for a full season on unisex. They're all unisex. Covering everything from color to graphics and styles, where you'll be able to download all the graphics, all the creative work, and work from your computer on the styles and on the graphics. So vectorized just for you. Same goes for Third Eye, Swiss team, working out the macro trends. They are good at that, trying to look at the big picture and bring it down into sports, but then looking into details and graphics and products and prints, so how they can be used in what proportions and downloadable. And of course you do your own interpretation, color swatches as well, of course. ColourHouse, German product, very well appreciated for all its imagery, and the colors and combos, real swatches of course for the colors and the combinations, how to use the colors and where the inspiration comes from. So ColourHouse, very good for sports. Now, one of our key partners here would be in Move from Cologne in Paris, and they do two active books. It's the lifestyle, which is more at leisure, between active and leisure, kind of active, and then super active, which is super cool. So here everything will be vectorized, downloadable. You can work from your own platform with your colors and their typical beautiful styles, where you can pull out the most fantastic details, color combos, and really getting the commercial message for the season. But also people keep it and find a nice pocket for the next season. So it builds your library of good commercial sportswear design. Now that would be in Move, and going over to the more, which is also a big part and very early part of the color need. Maybe I should have started with that, but let's look at some of the true color guides. That would be Activate from Design for London, who are coming from the active sports and more almost fashion angle of active, taking the direction from fashion into active, dyeing their own colors and making their choice by color families. You just see their version of blues, their version of pinks, and people really enjoy their really specific colors that could be in between standard colors around. And then of course taking all these color stories and play with them in trend stories for the season. What does the color combos look like, and how can that translate into product for men and women? In fact, a lot of people who are in other businesses as well quite like their way of using color, because it's all in real fabric, so you can really see and feel the colors, true colors. So, and finally, of course, our friends A Plus A in Milan doing a great job to really look at the funky style of active, really bringing colors into the picture, but also looking at colors from the perspective of materials and how colors evolve in transition, and how you can mix the colors into materials. And they're very famous also for their color chips in plastic together with different textile materials. So in the Vibe, which is their active color book, you get really a good sense of a new inspirational industrial feel, kind of unisex moving forward, how we like to see next 2 years coming up. So that would round up a part of what we have physically on active. Obviously we have also fashionsnoops.com, where you'll be able to do your active research in trend boards, pull out your own pattern colors and make this work for you and your teams, and constantly update it on men, women and kids of course. So there's plenty of options to use ColourHouse as your house of trends where you can sit down and talk to us, or we can meet up and try to match your needs with what we can offer. So very handy. And you know, colors, they have to be real, so you have to have real samples so you know what you're looking for, because if you're adding 2-3 colors to a sports collection, it's better be the right colors. So we wish good luck with that, and welcome to contact colorhouse.se. We'll be happy to meet you one way or the other, and good luck with the season. Bye.